Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft released the first extended security update for Windows 10, which was this update, KB5068781. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen. Now, this was an important update because it removed the incorrect message that told users your version of Windows has reached the end of support, with Microsoft previously confirming the alert was an error and that the update finally fixed the issue. Now, though that is the case, unfortunately, Microsoft has updated the changelog for the update and has said there's a known issue with the update. And Microsoft has said that the update might fail to install on some Windows 10 devices enrolled in Extended Security Updates ESU for commercial customers with this error. Now, Microsoft mentions that the issue is isolated to devices activated via Windows subscription activation through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So what I'm getting from that is I think this is going to be affecting more the minority than the majority. I don't think your average home user is going to be affected by this, but just keeping you posted. And Microsoft says the issue is under investigation and additional information will be shared as soon as it becomes available. And this is not the first update failing to install that I've posted on. I posted on earlier today that Windows 11 KB5068781 was failing to install with errors. I'll leave that video link down below and in the end screen as well. So although it is maybe affecting the minority of Windows 10 ESU users in enterprise environments, I think it's a bit unfortunate that obviously the first ESU update that Microsoft releases is failing to install for some. So hopefully Microsoft sorts that issue out sooner than later. And if I get knowledge of that, obviously I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.